Hello friends, new tutorial, quick one. Mayonnaise with milk instead of eggs. Very good for allergic people and very healthy. Take equal parts. 1 part milk, 1 part vegetable oil in a high cup. Take a blender and whisk with the blender until the oil starts its emulsion with the fat and proteins of the milk. Keep on blending and add dropwise 100 milliliter of veggie oil until it's thick. Throw in a pinch of salt and the mayonnaise is ready. It's very easy. So you want to top it up and you want to make an alioli out of it. So just take some a quantity of chopped garlic or garlic puree and stir very well. That's it. Very easy. Good to go. No eggs, especially in summer or just in general to avoid salmonella poisoning because of the use of raw eggs. You keep it in the fridge just to rest a little bit and it's ready to go. Join me on www.cheftomvoigt.com and look out for new videos. Thanks and bye bye.